Hello, this is Gene Skaggs. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. I am a certified quantum touch level 2 instructor. I do other things, but today we'll be doing one on quantum touch. We're going to look at depression. Now, if you go to a doctor, psychiatrist, or whatever you're doing, that's between you and the professional. We're strictly going to look at this from an energetic perspective. So with that in mind, we're going to look at some of the things that you would cover energetically in a quantum touch session. You'd want to work on the heart. Actually, the heart is the thinking apparatus of the body, and it will tell the brain, the frontal lobes, what to do. So you'd want to work on the heart. You'd work on the vagus nerve, which is in the back over there by the brain stem. Technically, it should be called vagus nerve because there's two of them that follows the vertebrae all the way down the body and go to the organs and report the information back to the brain. This does this thousands of times a second. So that would be another place. You definitely want to hit the parasympathetic nervous system. That's a rest and repair. Keeps you calm, keeps you connected to higher power, and you're experiencing peace in your life. You would want to get the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland produces oxytocin, which is the love molecule in the body. It allows you to love yourself, love others, give hope for the past, and also hope for the future. It also produces this hormone called, it's a growth hormone called colostrum. It's what a mother will produce when she bears a child the first 48 hours. I like to call it amped up oxytocin. It's extremely powerful. So you want to do that. And in depression, you kill a lot of your brain cells. So you definitely want to get the hippocampus because it actually grows new brain cells and new nerve cells, some of that thing. And you'd want to hit the amygdala. The amygdala is where adrenaline is produced and various other things like this, and we'll get them calmed down. The cortisol will get them calmed down. So we would definitely want to work on the emotional aspect of depression. I personally believe that depression stems from someone basically giving up on life, that they tried this, and they tried this, and nothing works. So what we would do in the emotional part is see if we can find out why the person, whether they're having a financial issue, a physical issue, relationships, whatever, maybe lost a job or something like that. What is this event trying to show them in life? And if we can find out what that is and then look at it and heal it energetically, then the depression will have to subside. I appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell other people about it. All my contact information is on this channel. So looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.